Oh boy, this week's challenge night, complete opposite of last challenge night. I'm so happy. If you saw my last video, the Thanksgiving video, you saw a lot of complaints that I had, and this week, way better. The feature race, it was just beautiful racing. We basically had like a line of like 5 people all battling together. People, seeing, what works, battling for position, probing for holes. It's just everything I love about racing. And it's the environment that we've tried to cultivate. No dive bombing, nothing like that. It was just, I felt like I was on the razor's edge at all times. It was such a close battle. It's just, if you like clean racing, it's really great to watch. Now, with that said, I'm glad I have the backup camera, because without it, you would have missed so much of the interesting action. There were so many things happening behind me. So for that reason, I'm increasing the size of the backup camera for this feature race so you can see everything that happens. Now, as for the rest of the night, we started off with a time trial qualifier, which then led into a qualifying position race based on how well you qualified. I finished first in my time trial group. I finished first in my position race group. Nothing really happened. So I did include the position race just for completeness sake. And maybe some people want to figure out the line I was using. Who knows? But I'm not going to be offended if you go straight to the feature race. The feature race is certainly the main event of this one, especially if you like clean racing, like I mentioned before. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share it, do whatever you want. All right. Bye-bye.
My kart has a smell, I'm pretty sure. We're back for challenge night. We already did like a time trial qualifying. I qualified first in my group, so I got to start pole for an actual position race. So that's fun. And here we go. No one dive me? Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Tires are a little cold. It's okay. We're losing a little grip there. It's okay. It's okay. I just hope that the smell that I smelled from this kart does not rear its ugly head during the race and it causes a big problem. That will be bad news. But I actually like the format of qualifying we did today, where we did like a time trial to then determine our little qualifier here position. I kind of like that. That's pretty neat. It's a little different than what we normally do, where we do the 2 heads-up races. Well, it looks like I have a fair amount of space. They are battling. So I guess that's probably good for me. Ugh. All right, kart. Don't break. That's all I need. But yeah, a lot of people here tonight, actually. I think we might have like 17 people or something like that. Maybe even 18. Including like a lot of new faces who, when we did the time trial qualifying, were very respectful. Very happy to see that. You never know what's going to happen when you have new people show up. How they're going to drive, but they definitely got speed, and, they're paying attention, so that's really all I can ask for. This is not exactly an exciting race, I'll say that. Qualified pole. Feel like I'm going to be by myself for the rest of this race. Yeah, I think I am pulling slightly away from Dennis too. So, unless my kart dies, I think this is probably a foregone conclusion. Yeah, I'm definitely pulling away from Dennis. I've been paying attention to where he is on the yellow sign when I hit the same area, and I am pulling away from him. Oh, I did that horribly. I don't think it's gonna matter though. I think we're okay. Yeah, I'm pulling away from Dennis for sure. All right, good race, good race. Let's freaking go. Let's go, let's go. There's one. I got it. I mean, we got like 7 of them now. 5. They got to be around here somewhere. All right, we're here for the feature race. This kart is making a noise, and it doesn't feel great. So this will be fun. Qualified first, though. I had the fastest time trial for my group, and I finished first in the position race for my group. So that's good. I am not certain I'll be able to hang on to this pole position, though, based on the kart. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's have some fun. That's all that matters, right, guys? And here we go. Good racing, good racing. Good job, good job, good. Okay, all right, good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good start, good start, good start. Okay. We may have to do a little defensive driving here, that's for sure. We'll see. Oh boy, yeah, it's got some noise. It's got some noise. Definitely driving a little defensively. Oh boy, that was really bad. It also does not want to turn right very well. Had to take that one a little slow. I saw him setting up for the move there. This thing is making so much noise. I don't know if it's going to come through on camera. But it is definitely making noise. Yep, I see you there, bud. The full swing out and get in is not going to work on me. I'll say that. That is for sure. If you keep doing that move, I am happy with that. That's what I'm going to say about that. Oh no! What's happening? What's happening? Are we going still, or what's happening? Just a quick little caution? Okay. Oh, I'm going so wide. This thing does not want to turn very well. So, I don't know. It's gonna be tough. I think if he wants to be aggressive and make a move at some point, he could probably do it. But we'll see. We'll see. Oh, lost some traction there. I really got to pay attention to the inside there. Make sure he can't get there. This is definitely a course that, like, you can be obstinate if you want. But again, you can't be, like, too predictable in your moves, because, like, then, like, people will set up their moves based on how you've been driving the whole time. So you kind of gotta give them different looks every now and then. Is this the last lap? I thought I saw 2 up there. Maybe I'm wrong. Went a little wide, try to get a little more speed. Trying to go a little wide, give some different looks. Okay, maybe there's more than 2 laps left. I have no clue how many laps are left. Please end my suffering. Please end my suffering and give me a dang white flag. All right. All right. I actually have a little bit of space. Let's not mess up, huh? Let's not mess up. Okay, okay, we protected there. That's good. Protect one more curve, basically. All right, we protected. Let's go, let's go. Good race, good race. Cool, boy.